What's up mga makisig? Welcome back again to my channel, Makisig TV. At for today's video, we discuss a new product, new model of radios. So before we start, I would like to show my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. You can search on YouTube, just type Makisig TV. I have a few videos about tutorial on radio, antennas, etc. So we can start. First of all, first product of Retevis. You can search it, Retevis P1 High Power Super Het AES256 UHF DMR walkie-talkie with speak mic. This kind of radio, also UHF and DMR. Then stable signal, safe and reliable, efficient for work, built-in relay. So that's good. Also for company. Long distance, built-in a single frequency relay function effectively, extends the communication distance and expand the call range, provide you with reliable and stable communication and better support long distance communication. P1 is also a strong compatibility, support of ARC4, AES128 and AES256, compatible with Moto solution, make it discreet to communicate. Also, P1 is an analog and digital mode. Yes, dual mode, compatible with analog and digital mode, easy to work with RT81, RT29 and Moto solutions. Like what I've said, the digital mode and analog mode. Also superior audio performance, digital two-way radio features and superior sound quality for clear communication. Okay, that's right. For the battery, P1 have 46 hours of standby time and 14 hours of working time. Only require 4 to 5 hours of charging time with a built-in 2500 mAh battery and Type-C rechargeable walkie-talkie. Effectively supports all-day warehouse or rescue work use without frequent charging. Okay, 2500 mAh. That's good. 46 hours standby time and working time for 14 hours. Also, P1 have a record function, 260-hour continuous record time. Review important details and check the information. Wow. Then, one of the best features is single and group call. Wow. 3 communication method. Retevis P1 UHF two-way radio can flexibly achieve individual and team and group communication. Better meet your needs in large team. So it's up to you if you want a single call, group call, and all call. Then P1 secure two-way radio, lone worker and emergency alarm, keep you safe when you work alone or are in emergencies. Okay, it has emergency alarm, 2-pin Retevis handled PDT speaker mic, other accessories. So that's all for P1, Retevis P1. That's good for now. P1, once again, P1 High Power Super Het AES256 UHF DMR walkie-talkie with speak mic.